Hey everybody, we are jumping right into lesson 1-4. If you're wondering where 1-3 is, we are going to cover it. I just want to do that one together in class. So you're going to do lesson 1, lesson 2, 4, and 5 on your own before you come back. So what we are going to do, and we're just going to jump right in. We are going to translate a sentence into an algebraic expression. So let's say, for example, I have this. The distance remaining for a runner after m miles of a 26.2 mile marathon. Okay, so if I'm running a marathon, it's a total of 26.2, and I have run m miles. Whatever m is some number that we don't know. How many do I have left to go? I have, so into an algebraic form would be 26.2 minus m. That's it. We turned it into an algebraic expression, a mathematical expression. All right. Let's say I have this. The number of hours it takes to fly 1,800 miles at a speed of n miles per hour. So we don't know how fast we're going, but let's just say, for example, if the plane was going 900 miles an hour, if I was going 900 miles an hour, how many hours would it take me? It would take me 2 hours. 1,800 divided by 900. Let's say I'm going 600 miles per hour. Well, I would do 1,800 divided by 600, and that would give me 3 hours. Let's say I am driving or I'm flying 300 miles per hour. If I'm only doing 300 miles per hour, I'm going to do 1,800 divided by 300, and that would give me 6 hours. So in general, I do 1,800 divided by whatever my speed is. So turn that into an algebraic expression. All right, example 2. Evaluate. So this is a little bit of what we've done already together. So let's say I have x plus 3xy minus 2y, and we have x equals 4 and y equals 7. X equals 4 and y equals 7. So I'm going to replace every x with a 4 and every y with a 7. Just like that. All right, so that's just 4. 3 times 4 times 7. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. And 2 times 7 is 14. 4 plus 84 is 88. And 88 minus 14 is what? 74? 74. Let's try one more like that. Let's say I have b squared z minus 2bz plus z squared. And we are told that b equals 6 and z equals 2. Okay, so again, I'm first going to go through and replace every b with a 6 and every z with a 2. 6 squared times 2, 2 times 6 times 2, plus 2 squared. Follow PEMDAS now. 6 squared is 36. 2 times 6 is 12, times 2 is 24. 2 squared is 4. 36 times 2 is 72. 72 minus 24 is 48, and plus 4 is 52. All right. Example 3. Combining like terms. Again, this is more stuff that we have done already. So let's say I have x squared plus 5x plus 2y plus 7x squared. What terms here are like terms? Well, x squared can go with 7x squared. 5x cannot go with the other x's because it's not squared. It does not have any like terms with it. Same thing with 2y. There are no other terms that even have a y. So x squared is really 1x squared, which means I have 8x squared, and I can't combine these at all, so they're just going to stay the way that they are. All right, let's say I have this, b times 5a squared minus 2a minus 11a squared b plus 2ab. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is distribute the b into the parentheses. So that gives me 5a squared b minus 2ab, and then I'm just going to rewrite these terms. Now let's look. They all have an a and a b, but they also have to match the exponents. So 5a squared b also has a minus 11a squared b. So that gives me negative 6a squared b. Negative 2ab and positive 2ab, those add to 0. So they completely go away, and all I have left is that. All right, that is lesson 4, and we'll see you for one more video, lesson 5.